Alright, today we're gonna make easy, simple waffles. Actually, I suggest making them from fresh if you have a waffle maker, making them fresh, because I would say having them fresh is way better than getting them from a box. From scratch, yeah. And so I'll show you how to make it. So we have our flour. It's 4 cups of flour. We are doubling this recipe since it's really large. And then we'll grab 2 tablespoons sugar. And then 2 tablespoons baking powder. Already have a tablespoon in, so we need to use 2 of these, because we already measured these. So 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, then we will just mix these in. Oh yeah, and add in the vanilla. It is a teaspoon of vanilla. You have a tablespoon. What? Wait, you want it vanilla? And then we'll grab our eggs. It's 4 eggs. And we just put in 4 eggs. We'll grab our butter. It's 1 cup of 2 sticks of butter. Whisk this. We'll add in buttermilk. You can basically just get the amount of milk and then you just add some vinegar into it. And it's 3.5 cups of buttermilk. And we just we also are warming up the waffle maker for the waffles. The batter was kind of liquidy, so we added just a little bit more flour, and this is what it should look like. Not too thick, a little runny. And so now we will start adding it to our waffle maker. Shut it, and our light will turn. The red one will turn off and it'll be green. Or the other way around, or vice versa, I don't know really. And if you can also use this recipe for pancakes if you don't have a waffle maker, you'll add in a little bit more flour. Now they're ready and we're going to take them out. So see, they're going to be nice, brown. Gonna move it. And there we go. There's a delicious waffle brenner. Here's some delicious brenner. Nice and tasty. Please subscribe and like it.